Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, ladies and gentlemen, my beloved teacher Madam Maryam binti Hamzah, and my beloved friends. First, let's say thanks to God who has given blessing to us so we can meet together in this place. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Aiman Akmal bin Osman. All of you can call me Aiman. I'm from School of Humanities and my metric number is 149031. Okay, today I would like to give my speech under the title of Negative Changes of Globalization on Malaysian Cultures. What is culture and what is globalization? Culture means life method which grow up in a society area, which are inherited by generations to the next generations. As we all know, we have 1,000 legacy of cultures, right? Which have a high pitches of art and an orchestral masterpiece such as music, food, language, traditional dance, and clothes. Along with the development of time, a passion for preserving culture is fading. Why is this happening? In my opinion, this is because of the effects of globalization, which leads to the extinction of local culture and no love of one's own nation. Meanwhile, globalization is a process of placing the world under one common unit without being limited by the borders and geographical position of a country. Through this process, the world finally no longer has borders, with the airspace and sky of a country is wide open to be entered by various information channels through various communication media such as the internet, electronic media, and cyber technology. Firstly, the negative changes brought about by globalization in terms of culture in Malaysia is food. Globalization has caused traditional foods to be less popular with society, especially teenagers in our country. This is because the mass media often display advertisement related to this fast food, has given more exposure about this fast food and indirectly appeal to their appetite to try and taste the deliciousness of the food. As example, teenagers to be less exposed to traditional foods and more exposed to food than foreign countries, which are mostly fast food. Therefore, in the current age of globalization, they prefer fast food as their daily food. For the working community, the lack of time to cook is the reason why traditional food is less popular than fast food. Therefore, they prefer to enjoy this fast food rather than cooking traditional food at home. When they choose this fast food, they just have to take the order and wait just a few minutes to enjoy the dish, and this is different from cooking traditional food, which has to take a long time. Additionally, these fast foods can also be stored for a longer period of time than natural foods. It is clear that globalization has caused people to be less like of traditional food and more like of food from foreign countries. Secondly, globalization has led to the use of the official language Malay increasingly marginalized by society in our country. This is because Malay in the era of globalization is increasingly being used by special public Malay community, but they prefer the English in all matters. The development of information technology due to globalization has also caused the society in our country to use English. This follows by using information technology applications, using English as the main language used so that the community can acquire information technology which is expanding from time to time. According to Dr. Nik Safiah Karim, a lot of people in our country get education in English, and this has caused them more relevant to different language, use their own traditional language Malay. Thus, more people use English rather than Malay. In addition, film broadcast on television is not concerned with the proper use of the Malay language and the use of a mixture of a lot in conveying information to the public. Third, globalization has posed a threat to local culture through clothing culture among Malaysian society, which has transformed into a clothing culture resembling Western culture. This is because the rapid globalization taking place in our country has caused a variety of information about clothing culture from foreign countries to spread widely. For example, among the information received is related to fashion from Western countries that have spread widely in the clothing industry in Malaysia. When information about fashion from this Western country is known by the community, it continues to attract their interest because of the nature of teenagers who are easily deceived and like to try something new. The influence of globalization is seen to have caused many people to prefer wear clothes from abroad compared to clothes made from their own country. In a nutshell, as we have discussed before, there are several negative changes brought by the globalization, and we must save our culture from extinction. Where do we have to start? Of course, we should start from our own selves. We must feel proud in showing ourselves esteem through our cultures. I hope that we don't ever bother to make a creativity and save Malaysia cultures for the sake of future generations. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.